Hey guys, here is another episode of how to style your messy bum. So stay tuned as we go on with this video. So most times on my previous video, which I did a tutorial on how to install the messy bum, we always do the packing gel first before installing the hair. So most times I prefer using a spray spirit instead of gel. So once you put the spray spirit, you brush and you dry. That way it's faster, it dries faster and holds stronger. So I'm just gonna go in and use my spray spirit on the hair. Then I'm gonna brush the hair in, then I'll dry it. So while we were doing this video, we had a little challenge, like our light went off, so we weren't able to do the part where we were installing the hair. So please, on my next video, I'm going to show you how we install the front side of the frontal. So we're done with the packing gel. You're just going to clean the front of the hair with any alcohol base so it won't be oily or any debris or any dirt that are there. So we're just gonna go straight to styling the messy bun, because like I said before, we had an electrical issue, so we couldn't film the parts which I was installing the hair and doing the edges. So first thing first, you're gonna put the messy bun. They will be using this donut, this sponge like donut, for this styling because it's the best you should use. It can expand, you can put in pin and it will pass through. That is why. So we're just gonna put the donut on the hair and bring out the messy bun part out. So that's what I'm just doing here. So guys, if you've not liked this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Do well to subscribe to our channel for beautiful tutorials like this. Oh yeah, I'm just done with the donut part. Now it's the styling time. So what we're gonna do, you can either use your flat tonguing machine to curl the hair before styling it. So I've already done those parts off camera. Now we're going straight to the styling. Now when you are styling your messy bun, you have to be very patient and focused, because this is the second most important part of a messy bun installation. So since we are using a donut, our major aim is to use the hair to cover the donut so the donut won't be showing. So that's what we're just going to do. I've already done some parts. So now the reason why I'm doing it like that is because I want it to be a bit full and plumpy, like I want it to be big kind of. That's why I did it like that. We're just gonna go on with this video. Keep watching. Thank you guys so much for always watching my videos. I really appreciate, and do well to drop a message on the notification box for us to know your opinion on the hair, so it will help us better. So here we're just gonna spray in our got to be spray, and when you're spraying it, make sure it's some centimeters away from the hair. So this is the finished look, guys. What do you think? See how lovely it's looking. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Bye.